Go get your degree and get a job steady, and go get married full and send your kids to school like everybody. Why not do your best? Build yourself a nest. If only you would this and if only you would that, you would live a life of peace and rest. Oh, don't you see I tried to be like everyone? I did it well and suddenly my joy was gone. Another droplet in the ocean added on. Before I knew my life fell to be done. And worst of all, I lost the very charm I had, the very charm that made everyone oh so glad. I found myself and all around me oh so sad, and yet I know there's something I can add. So I know that I must be unlike everybody. I will seek to thrive every moment I'm alive. That will be the greatest gift to me. Ta la 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 la, ta la la